Hello friends, welcome to the channel Psychotech. In this video, I will discuss about the psychological test Vinland Social Maturity Scale, that is VSMS. And along with this, I will also discuss how to write this test in your practical notebook. So let's get started. First of all, we have to mention the title for the practical. So the title will be Vinland Social Maturity Scale. In bracket you can mention VSMS. Then after, we have to mention aims or objectives. The aims or objective for this practical is to assess the social maturity of the subject using VSMS, that is Vinland Social Maturity Scale. Let us start with the introduction part. In introduction, first of all we'll look at the historical background of the test. So the Vinland Social Maturity Scale was developed by American psychologist Arnold Dahl 1953, originally published in 1936 and discussed in Dahl's booklet Your Child Grows Up in 1950. The test was adapted in Indian conditions by Dr. A. J. Malin during his work at Nagpur Guidance and Counseling Center. Arnold Dahl 1935 constructed Vinland Social Maturity Scale on the similar lines of Binet and Salmon Test of Intelligence Scale. The items were arranged in order of normal average life age progression. There were total of 117 items, but 89 items in Indian adoption version, which were arranged in the increasing order of difficulty. The test was meant to measure maturation in social independence or social competence from infant to young adult. Beyond that, the main purpose of each item is to represent a particular aspect of the ability to look after one's own practical needs. The important purpose of the test was for child guidance, child training, and to distinguish between mentally retarded or intellectually disabled child with or without social incompetence. The test had a correlation of around 0.80 to 0.85 with standard intelligence tests such as Stanford Binet, like mental age of Binet 7 test of intelligence. Dahl adopted social age. However, in contrast to using age graded as used in Binet-Salmon test, Dahl used a direct total score conversion table to arrive at the social age, which was published in 1953. There are some concepts which needs to be discussed and which will be used in this psychological test. The concepts are social maturity, social age, social quotient, and social areas. In social areas, there are some sub areas like self-help general, self-help eating, self-help dressing, self-direction, occupation, communication, locomotion, and socialization. So, what is social maturity? Social maturity deals with learning to properly relate to acquaintances, friends, and intimate relationships. It also involves understanding how to honor and respect those in authority, like civil, parental, employer, or spiritual. It is an indicator of the life skills a person possesses for various situations. WHO also defines life skills as abilities for adaptive and positive behavior that enables individual to deal effectively with the demands and challenges of everyday life. In primary and secondary education, life skills may refer to a skill set that accommodates more specific needs of modern industrialized life. Example: food preparation, hygiene, basic literacy, and numeracy skills. These skills are a basic requirement for a happy and successful life. The level of social maturity also gives an indication of the dark aspects of parenting and schooling, where some more sincere efforts are required from parents and teachers. The next important concept is social age. Social age is a numerical scale unit expressing how mature a person is in terms of his or her interpersonal skills and ability to fulfill the norms and expectations associated with particular social roles, as compared to others of the same chronological age. Social age is similar to mental age and is derived from ratings gathered from the individual or in the case of young children, from parents or caregivers using instruments such as the Vinland Adaptive Behavior Skills. The next concept is social quotient. The social quotient indicates how a child is compatible with the environment and society he or she lives. The age up to 7 or 8 years is the most crucial age to make the kid to be smarter socially. So social quotient is calculated using the formula, that is social quotient equal to social age divided by chronological age into 100. The next thing which we assess in VSMS is self-help general, that is SHG. SHG focuses on performing general activities like head holding, telling time to quarter, etc. Then we have self-help eating, SHE. SHE caters with child ability to handle his eating patterns and take care of his nutritional needs. Child gets more independent in terms of feeding. Then we have self-help dressing, SHD. This category indicates child ability to cleanse himself as well as dressing himself. And then after we have locomotion, which is LOM. Locomotion involves social movements associated with the social responsibilities, including going in neighborhood and other social places, also known as social movements. Next term is occupation, OCC. This may include concentration of playful activity in infancy, helping minor tasks, involving self-exploratory tasks, and working for others. And next is communication, COM. This is related to social use of language, literacy, and other means of communication, and how these help individuals to adapt better. The next thing which we assess is self-direction. The period of adolescence is specifically characterized by desire of social freedom in personal conduct. This expresses itself in a gradual breaking away from authority, which is followed up in early childhood by assumption of responsibility and authority for others. This is clearly expressed in handling of money, in looking after of all one's needs, etc. Two series are apparent, that is one related to money and other is purchasing. The last social area is socialization, SOC. SOC includes social skills, the activity of mixing socially with others, the process of learning to behave in a way that is socially acceptable. Now, after discussing all the concepts which are related to VSMS, we will discuss about the description of the test. In description, first we have to mention author of the test. So the author of the test VSMS is Arnold Doll. The basic purpose of the test, the basic purpose of the VSMS test is to measure social maturity or social competence in individuals from birth to adulthood. And the next subheading is number of items. So it consists 117 items which can be interviewed with the primary caregiver or parent. Also, Dr. A.J. Malin in 1965 from Nagpur Child Guidance Center adapted VSMS to Indian settings, which consists of 89 items. If we talk about the age group, so this test can be conducted on children who are in between 0 to 15 years. And the reliability and validity, so this test is found to have a correlation of 0.85 to 0.96 with the Stanford Binet Intelligence Scale. Now, after the description of the test, you have to write the materials required for this practical to be conducted. So the materials required will be VSMS test booklet, answer sheet, scoring key, pencil, eraser, and other things if required. After this heading, we have to mention participant's profile. So in participant profile, you have to mention the name of the participant, which is optional, age, gender, educational qualification, and occupation of the subject. Now, after writing all these things and mentioning all these things in our practical notebook while writing the practicals, now it comes procedure and administration of the test. which will include preparation of the test, report formation, instruction for the test, precautions, introspective report, recording of the test, scoring for the conducted test, result, discussion and conclusion, and also the references. I will discuss about the procedure and administration of Vinland Social Maturity Skill Test along with a demo in my next video. So please don't forget to watch my next video so as to understand the procedure and administration of the VSMS test. If you are new to this channel and you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel, like the video and press the bell so that you can receive all the notifications on time. Thank you.